Yan, okay na. Okay, start na tayo. So, random muna dito yung name. So, unang ginawa ko yun, naka-copy, yung alphabetical arrange, tapos copy paste ko dito. Yan. Kita ba daw?
Yes.
Ayan. Tapos, random ko ng 3 times. Tapos kung ano yung lumabas, yun ay ilalagay ko dun sa wheel. Okay, let's go. So, first, 1, 2, 3. Tapos, okay. And, game na. Yung una, siya yung first pick, ha?
Game.
Okay, good luck. Good luck, mga sir. Okay, first pick. Si Rise of Day.
Perfect. Perfect.
Next.
Yun.
Teka. Jay Swish. Number 3. Wait. It's me.
Pwerte naman nun.
Next. 4. Crazy. Walang sumali si Boy Gato. Next, number 5. Squad.
Nangangamoy 11, 12, 30 na naman to.
Uy, budong. 6. Last minute.
Hey, Daddy, it's your tata and nanay.
Okay, number 7. Ano gulo at is?
Yay!
Okay. Ito na. Number 9.
Uy, number 8. Woo! Ako pala yun.
Ay, may iba kasi.
Inaligit.
Mama.
Number 10. Doon kay Ate Elise. Pakita mo kay Ate Elise.
Only Elise. What?
Si Pending Chan.
Dad, it's a shirt. Dad said it's just joking. I just a pen. It's just a pen.
Number 11. Kasi Mark nandiyan. Mark to.
Did you give it back to Dad?
This clan.
Also, wait for me. Say you spin.
Or 12.
You're gonna spin.
Ay, hindi. Huwag magulo.
Sweet one. Wow. It's a blue one.
Naman, si Mark. Ang 13, mas maganda last eh. Sunod. Kesa dyan.
14.
Spin. Let's stop.
Magulo, magulo.
I did it. Let's stop.
Okay, last.
Red.
Let's go. Okay. Go. Tapos rainbow. Okay. Yun lang. Tapos save. Send ko na lang sa ano. Sa chat natin.
That's the window.
Okay. Thank you. Dong, thank you ah.
Sige.
Yeah, salamat. And
Too loud. Snap.